Water management in fish growing is very important. Hi, JP here, and today I'm going to share to you how I did a water change in my own fish tank using this tool as a siphon for the waste and the water. But before that, let us first know what is a siphon. A siphon refers particularly to a tube in an inverted U shape, which causes a liquid to flow upward, above the surface of a reservoir, with no pump but powered by the fall of liquid as it flows down the tube under the pull of gravity, then discharging at a level lower than the surface of the reservoir from which it came. Now that we know what is a siphon, now it's the time to take a look how I built one myself. First is a used or extra hose. The length is approximately 2 meters depending on the height of your tank. An empty plastic bottle. A leftover pipe or an extra pipe. Sandpaper. Cutter. Scissor. A glue gun. And a cutter for the pipe. We are now ready to do our water change. So let's go. So that's it for today, and I hope you have learned something out from my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. So cheers!